Becoming an auto service expert isn't easy. It requires time, focus, a willingness to learn, and just a little bit of elbow grease. At Toyota of Orlando, we're here to help you on your way to becoming an expert. And today, we're going through the basics of tires. Tires are perhaps one of the most important parts of your vehicle. Without them, your car wouldn't get very far. These pieces of rubber not only keep your car on the road, but they help you grip the road while driving, and they can help your car perform different tasks more easily. Maintaining them is essential to avoid an accident. You should always check the tread depth using the quarter method. If the top of your tread falls below Washington's head on the quarter, then it's time to think about getting your car a new pair of shoes. You should also always have your tires rotated when you get an oil change and inspected periodically to make sure you don't have any damage or wear and tear that could leave you with a flat. Additionally, it's important to check tire PSI to ensure that your tires are inflated to the proper level for performance and fuel efficiency reasons. When selecting a new set of tires, you have several options to choose from that can take your driving to the next level. All-terrain tires can help your vehicle with better grip while off-roading. Summer tires are great for driving on the highway. Winter tires are perfect for severe winter weather. And performance tires provide better handling and a sportier experience. Your tires can make or break your ride. Make sure to always inspect and maintain them to avoid getting a flat or a blowout. Thanks for joining us at Toyota of Orlando for this episode of Becoming an Auto Service Expert. If you need help with your auto service needs, give us a call today at 407-298-0001.